The YKY Electric Spin Scrubber delivers strong, adjustable power with 3 cleaning speeds, so you can match the rotation to delicate glass or stubborn grout without extra effort. Its cordless design, generous battery capacity, and fast Type-C charging provide extended cleaning sessions that comfortably cover multiple rooms on one charge. The telescoping handle and 3-section shaft let you scrub floors, tubs, and high tiles while standing upright, easing strain on your back and knees. With 8 interchangeable brush heads and an upgraded waterproof body, it adapts to everything from shower corners and tile walls to car wheels and kitchen surfaces. A clear digital display and spoken status prompts make it easy to monitor power level and speed, which is especially helpful when you are moving quickly through different tasks. Thoughtful extras like the hanging hook, storage bag, and solid warranty support make this scrubber feel like a well-rounded, long-term cleaning upgrade.